Okay, so in this video, I'll walk you through Facebook Page Insights. I'll show you all the different features that this amazing tool has to offer. And in the following videos, we'll take a look at how to make more sense of the data. I'll show you how to handle the most important functions and how to take your marketing to the next level, meaning how to generate more website traffic, how to increase the reach of your posts, and so on. So the goal of this video is to show you around and to basically explain all the different features, all the different sections inside Facebook Page Insights. So let's get started. The first page is the overview tab, right? So you can see the total amount of page likes, new page likes that you gained, the post reach, and the engagement. Now, this fan page that we run here, it's kind of inactive, but it doesn't matter at all because, well, if your website, if your fan page is active, then you will see the amount of page likes that you gained here or the amount of people that you reached with your post, okay? So this just gives you a brief overview of the general page performance. Then you'll see the top 5 most recent posts, okay? So you see the post type, the targeting, the total reach, and the engagement. Then pages to watch, you can compare the performance of your page and post with similar pages on Facebook. We'll talk about that later, but you can add pages here manually if you want to monitor your competitors. Then let's click on likes. Well, first of all, we see the total page likes. In this case, it's 506. Then here you can even change and adapt the time frame that you want to take a closer look at, right? We see the net likes, meaning the organic likes, paid likes, and unlikes. Then you can see where your page likes have happened. You can see the number of times your page was liked broken down by where it happened. Pretty interesting. In terms of reach, well, you see the post reach, meaning the number of people your post was served to, right? Then you see likes, comments, and shares. And then you can even see hide, reported spam, and unlikes, information about that. And then we have the total reach of your entire fan page, basically broken down into organic reach and page reach. Page views, well, we have info about page and tab visits, the number of times each of your page tabs was viewed, right? Then we have information about external referrers, meaning the number of times people came to your page from a website off of Facebook. So in this case, it's AdBaker, Google.it, and Google.rs, right? Posts, this is a really important section that we'll take a closer look at later. First of all, you see when your fans are online, and then you see basically all the posts that you have published and a bunch of really great and valuable stats about, well, the type of post, the reach, and the engagement a particular post has generated. If you're publishing videos, well, you have even information about that, the amount of video views, and information about 30-second views, and also the top videos that you've published, right? And then people, you can see, well, basically who the people are that have liked your page. You have information about your fans and the people you reach, which is not so important, but the fan section is definitely something you want to take a closer look at. So you can see the distribution between your male and your female audience, right? You can see their age and also where they live. You have information about the country and the city and even the languages that they speak. So as you can see, there's tons of information. First of all, you will not use all of that info. There's, well, in my opinion, a bunch of stats that are pretty much useless, okay? And the reason why not so many people are working with Page Insights because they have absolutely no idea how to make sense of all the data. As you can see, there are tons of different metrics and data about your page performance, but in fact, there are only 6 sections you want to take a closer look at. And that's what we will do in the following videos, right? So again, this was just a general introduction. I just wanted to show you what the different sections are, what information that Facebook Page Insights has to offer. But what I want you to do now, and that's an action item, log into Facebook and just basically play around with this tool for at least 5 minutes. Okay, you want to get a feel for what you can do. Just seriously do it. Log in, play around with Facebook Page Insights for 5 to 10 minutes. You will see it's lots of fun actually to start gathering information about your audience, about the performance of your page. And in the next videos, I'll show you how to work with that data. Okay, so now that you understood the concept, make sure to work with that tool a little bit, even though you don't have actually a clue what you're doing at that very moment, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, you will understand the next videos a lot better once you got the feel for Facebook Page Insights. So go ahead, take action, and I'll see you in the next video.